Hello all, my name is Sunil Yadav. I'm to discuss about some problem and then we need to solve it. Might be you have interviewed some companies and they ask you some problem and they are saying ki solution it, right? So they are checking your algorithm, how you can solve the problem basically, and how much time it will going to take, like time complexity and space complexity, right? So let's see it. So here is the problem, like we are saying tournament winner. So we have tournament in that you have home team and away team, right? So home team basically who is hosting the tournament, and away team who is participating in the tournament basically. So how we are positioning those is, I'm saying home team means one if they are winning, and if the away team is winning, that means 0 points we are giving, and you have result basically here 0 0 1. And you always have playing in a competition opposite each other, two team only at a time, right? So you have fixed team length. If they are participating each other, you have always two team. So here we are using HTML, C sharp, Python 0, HTML. So here 0 position means is like your away team win, right? So here is C sharp win. Here I'm saying 0 again. Here is Python 1, right? And here I'm saying 1 means home team Python is win. So if you see Python is winning most time, right? And then we are giving the points, 3 points basically. So if I'm winning, I got 3 points. So Python got the 6 point. So we need to find out the basis of two input array. One is competition, one is result, who won the match and who have maximum point. So we need to find out Python actually. How many points we have Python? 6. So let's try to solve it. How we can solve it? So I'm using Kotlin and try to solve it, this problem my own way. Yeah, might be you find different solution for this problem, so it's nothing to one solution is going to fit. So best way how you can going to solve this problem is you just have it write the test case, and from test driven development you try to solve it. So first you need to put your input, and then you say result, my result is this, list of result and list of competitions, and what I'm expecting, because who's going to win one, right? So I know Python is going to win. So I'm expecting output is Python here, and from the my program output is here as well. So if you see, this is just function I have written here in Kotlin. What I'm expecting, right? These are the results. These are the input parameter, and expecting result as a string. Who won the team match actually? Okay. So the basic thing is how to solve it, right? So here if you see, right, I have hash map. So hash map, you have the winning team name and what is score they got from the winning. What I'm doing here, so either way, two way you can iterate through the competition or result, doesn't matter, because they have both same length basically. So you just need to put one loop, you either use through result or competition basically. So you are just iterating how many times on basically. So through the for loop we are doing, the time complexity will be the on, right? And the space complexity we are storing hash map. So we are going to keys store the how many keys match win, like a team they have, and who when those are going to store. So space is going to okay. So what is this here is I'm doing here. So if you see the index and value, so if you use with index, it's very simple, you get index and value. So that's what I need, because I don't need to iterate this result itself. I need to say one more for loop. So what I'm trying to do here, I'm trying to find out the result of the 0 position. What is this one? So what you see here is 0, right? So if result is 0 from the first input, so here if you see the 0 0 1, right? So this definitely you receive 0. So I'm saying if result is 0, result value is 0, then put into the map, right? What I need to store team name. So I'm just saying the value of one position. So value of one position means you are going to get one position, because 0 means your away team, right? And 1 means home team. So I'm going to get C sharp basically. So I'm going to store the key as a C sharp, and again from the, if you see already value exists for C sharp, if yes, then you just plus it and return it, right? If it's not, then it's ternary operator we are using here, then add the 3, right? If his result value is 1, then you need to do the same thing for the 0 position home team, right? And just add the value. And once you have the value in the map, you just say sort by the value, whatever team we have, and give me the key only for that team. I don't care others. So if you run this program, it's going to work hopefully. right? It's worked very well. Now if you want to debug it quickly and see what is going on here, so you can debug it as well, right? So if I debug it, you see here we got the request from here. We are sending input parameter and then we are returning here. And if you see result, you have competition value, you have result value, so 0, you have two value, the same thing. And if you see the winner map, you have two value, like one is C# is 3 points and 6 is 6 score Python. So Python is definitely a winner. Yeah, so let me resolve it. So now your test is passed successfully, is fine. So the time complexity we are talking about is ON because we have just one loop, and OK because we are just keeping k spaces as per hash map, whatever we are keeping. So thank you so much. Hopefully you like this video. I will put into GitHub and you can play with it. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel and share your feedback.